The drink we're about to make is called a Petite Fleur. And we're going to serve this up in a martini glass and put some water and ice in there. Let it sit while you're making your drink, and it'll be nice and cold. All right, fill a glass with ice and measure out 2 ounces of rum. And follow that up with 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. And 1 ounce of Cointreau. All right, and let's go ahead and shake it up. Get it nice and cold, get everything mixed together. We are going to be serving this up in a martini glass, which means it won't have any ice. So you want to make sure it's nice and chilled. All right, get your strainer and go ahead and pour it in. There we go. And if you'd like, you can garnish that with an orange. Bottoms up.